Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup claim documentation inside Geico app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Geico app on your mobile device. Log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the claims section on the dashboard. Tap on the claims section to enter your claims overview. Locate the specific claim for which you want to backup documentation. Select the claim to view its details. Scroll down to find the Documents or Attachments option within the claim details. Tap on Documents or Attachments. Here, you'll see any existing documentation associated with your claim. To add new documentation, look for an Upload or Add Document button. Tap on the Upload or Add Document button. You will be prompted to choose the type of document you wish to upload. Select the appropriate document type from the options provided. Choose whether you want to upload from your device's photo library or files. If uploading from the photo library, select the image or video you want to attach. If uploading from files, navigate to the document's location and select it. After selecting, confirm your choice by tapping Upload or Attach. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, you should see the document listed under your claims documentation. Review the uploaded document to ensure it has been attached correctly. Repeat the process to upload any additional documents if necessary. Once you have uploaded everything needed, exit the claims section to return to the dashboard. Your claim documentation is now safely backed up inside the Geico app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.